This is Daniel with Services-365, and today we're going to take a look at using Microsoft Business Central on your mobile devices. And what we're going to be seeing includes the initial installation and setup, some of the general navigation around the app, and some of the features and basic operations within the app itself. So we're going to begin by going to our Devices Marketplace. From there, we're going to search for Dynamics 365 Business Central. This will bring back the most accurate search results. Now, once we have that, we can download the app and it will begin to load on our phone. This is a free download, by the way, as with the SaaS-based model, it will just be linked to your account. Then once the download is completed, we can open up the app and we'll be taken to our sign-in screen here. And we simply enter our email that's registered with our 365 account. And Business Central will remember the login, so you do not have to log in each subsequent time that you do open the app. And because of the cloud-based nature of Business Central, this will be all the information required to get you directly to your company. You'll also be prompted for your password. After entering it, you'll be taken to your home screen here. You'll see that it resembles the one much like Business Central on your computer. From the home screen, you can click the menu buttons at the bottom. You'll have access to your charts, to your favorite accounts, to your trial balance, the Power BI reports, and then from the ellipsis, you have the option for your sales quotes, your purchase quotes. You can add new customers or vendors, payment reconciliations, and all of the normal menu features you would have in Business Central on your computer. Furthermore, if we click over to the three lines, you'll see that we have access here to our customer cards, our vendor cards, our item cards, the bank accounts, and the chart of accounts. Furthermore, we can click the home menu, go back to our main screen, and if we like, we can also flip the screen to the sideways view. We have our menu options there on the side rather than from the bottom, and we still do have all of our boxes here that we can go through just with a simple scroll down the page. And now let's delve a little bit deeper into some of the functionality here. So we can click on our customers. Here you'll see the list, all the same customers you'd have in Business Central. You have the back arrow on your right-hand side. You have the plus button to add additional ones. You have your search feature. You also have the ellipsis for any kind of functions that you want to process, reports you wish to examine, or even settings to modify. Now let's take a look at making a sales quote. So from here, we can keep it in the landscape mode, and we'll have the sidebar showing us additional information, or if we like, we can flip it back, and it'll be more focused just on the detailed information for the sales quote. And here you'll notice that all the menus are the same as they are in Business Central on your computer. And you also do have the collapsible menus, such as show more and show less, if there's more information needed. It's just more in a condensed version just to fit the mobile screens. Now for the purpose of the quote, we can just go with the basic information, go down to the line menu, and from here we can hit the plus button if we just want to quickly add a single item, or we can hit the arrow next to the lines, and you'll see we have more of the advanced features. And what this does is gives us access to all the submenus that you would normally have within Business Central. But just for the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to quickly add an item here using the plus button. And then we go in, and just like normal, we'd select our item. See, we have all the information here just as we normally would. You'll notice the asterisks, which denote the required fields. The auto sum, and then once we have everything in here, all the information that we need, we can go back. We'll see it added to the line here. And if we have multiple items in the line, we can go over to Shows List, and here you'll see the lines, and you can just simply select one, whichever one that you want to work with, amend, or whatever necessary changes you need to make. Now we can scroll down and we can see all of our customer details here. We can see the shipping, the billing, additional things, foreign trade. And then once all of our information is in, the next step is just to simply go down to the ellipsis. And from here, if we want, we can just simply send it by email. We can even send it to a printer to be printed. We can even send approval requests if necessary, add attached files or comments, or we can make it directly into an order or an invoice from here. Convert the quote to an order. Yes. New order has been created and we can go directly to it. Now we're working with it as a sales order, and you can see that it's referencing the quote that it came from. So if there's any additional information that needs to be put in or any amendments made at this time, you can do so. And then once again, go back to the ellipses when you're ready to move forward. And from here, you can create inventory, put pick away if you're doing any kind of warehousing. You can do reports, you can release. And once everything's finalized, then you can simply choose your preferred method of posting. And conversely, working with your vendors for purchasing will operate in exactly the same manner. This overview is just a fraction of the complete functionality always at your fingertips with your mobile device. The Business Central app is a phenomenal way to always stay linked to your company no matter the situation. Thank you again for watching on behalf of Services-365. If you're ever interested in a demonstration to see the total solution capabilities of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, send us an email at sales@services-365.com. Stay tuned for more Business Central content to come.